I lost almost $80,000 yesterday while trading Ethereum. You all know that I have scaling my Ethereum trade from $2,900. I never expected that Ethereum will go down up to $2,200. My stop loss around $2,500 that gonna hit it last night. So I've that's how I lost almost $80,000 yesterday. But then I have researched about it, why we are dumping that much heavy, why we are dumping that much in Ethereum. So I have came in conclusion with this tweet that one of the biggest market makers is dumping its crypto holding, and the CFTC started investigation into jump trading subsidiary activities, and jump trading president has been resigned suspiciously, and then the whole firm has started redeeming Ethereum, and they have sold almost of 80,000 Ethereum. I'm not talking about $80,000 of Ethereum. It's That's why I lost $80,000 in my Ethereum trade. So please make sure you watch this video until the end. So let's see why Bitcoin is dumping. One of the world's biggest indices, Nikkei, has been dropped from $42,000 to $31,000. Almost 28% of drop we have seen in world's one of biggest indices, Nikkei. Investing.com, the VIX index rises above 60 since 2020 crash. COVID crash is VIX. VIX is a volatility index that shows how much the market is volatile. So currently it's at all-time high almost. VIX is at its all-time high for this year. So I think we will see volatile moves in SPX 500 also. Many more things to look at. The second one is that retail is not stopped yet to buy Bitcoin. We are in extreme fear, but retail is still buying Bitcoin, and that's a completely bullish outcome for us. Look at here. And the next is the fear and greed index. If you look at fear and greed index, market is in extreme fear. We have almost 26% of reading in the Bitcoin fear and greed index when Bitcoin hit the price of 51,200. So in retail we have extreme fear. And look at the RSI, Bitcoin RSI here. Here one post I've seen that Bitcoin RSI has been oversold since 2020, and we are at the oversold region, and we all know that whenever the RSI get oversold, we see a emittent pump. $1 billion of almost $1 billion of leverage crypto positions has been liquidated in 24 hours. And Japan stock market has suffers the worst losses since 1987 Financial Times. So Japanese stock market, just we have seen right now. The thing I'm going to talk is Jerome Powell printer is coming. So I think it's mandatory for Powell to save American economy. If he needs to print more money, because if he don't print more money, so there is the higher chances that SPX 500 could drop below $5,000 maybe. Jobless claims data came pretty bad, so that could lead to print more money. And we have seen this before in COVID crash, that market went down like crazy, dumping like crazy, and then Fed has cut the rates, and then market makes its all-time high. If you look at Bitcoin chart currently, it looks like bloodbath. It looks like a bloodbath right now. So as per my area, we have to long Bitcoin from 47k to 49k. It's a Bitcoin long area. It's a green zone for me, but the sentiments are not respecting any charts patterns right now. So this could be so that's could be another thing. And if you look at my charts, so the utter worst case scenario we have seen here, right here. So just like we have dropped out here, and we again bounce up to here. So I've already mentioned you that at the worst case scenario we are going to touch this trend line within the box halfway. So this trend line has came up to $50,000. So this is the trend line. This line, if you are seeing, this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. This line, if you are seeing, this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter worst case scenario, we are seeing this. So this is the line. For the utter line to get hit it, and we have hit this line. So another case, if we fail to hold this trend line this, or we fail to bounce up from here, so I think we are going to drop within the bar. Within the next region of the box is almost $41,000, so $40,000, or maybe we play some bigs, right? 35k. I'm not expecting that much dump in Bitcoin. I'm expecting a weekly closing around 55, above 55k, maybe 57k, but I'm expecting some kind of reversal from here. And if you look at Ethereum also has been dumped like crazy. Ethereum has dumped more than anything. Look at here, so Ethereum has dumped almost 50%, almost 47% right here. If you look at here, so Ethereum has dumped. Solana has dumped. I think it's a golden opportunity if Solana comes back up to $100. My goodness, what an opportunity to grab that. So if Solana come at $100, this is the best buying zone for Solana. We have to look at liquidation heat maps showing that we have still $14 to $15 million of liquidations above us, almost $59,000. In short term, we have liquidations around $15 million, around $52,000. So maybe we get that area because too many have shorted Bitcoin at that area. So I'm going to long Bitcoin at this area. I'm taking a small amount of risk right here with the stop loss of $46,000. If I get wrong, I've lost almost $15 to $20,000. But if I get right and we bounce up to 60k, I'm making almost 100k or more money within this. So that's my Bitcoin long plan. I'm going to long Ethereum also around 2k. My stop loss would be at around 1200. I'm not expecting Ethereum will go 1200, but in crypto, expect the unexpected. So if you like to trade with high leverage, so you can give it a try to the Vex. Vex is a leading crypto exchange in Asia. So you can just give it a try and let me show you some benefits of it. So here, if you deposit through my link down in the description below, if you deposit $500, you can get a 15x bonus. You can trade with $10,000. What are you waiting for? Go down in the description, join Vex. So that's much for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace out.